Hello. Good evening, people. Good evening. Hello. Hello, hello. Tonight I have a small surprise for you. I don't know if it will work as expected, but I think maybe it will, you know? Maybe. A small thing that you may like or not. I don't know. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. How are you guys? Hello, hula. So I bought a small extension of the Streamlabs, which allows you to have kind of small avatars of the people in the chat. Maybe you have seen it already in other places. I don't know, but basically, if I go here. So whoever is chatting, and at the moment is enabled on YouTube, so maybe I will enable on Twitch to boost a bit more the Twitch community. But as you can see there at the bottom, there, down there, yeah. Maybe I can eat them. There are some small thingies which are moving and are representing a lot way and are representing you, right, with your name, and they are moving and going around. Right? Do you like them? Do you like them? And it works only with the people. I set it up so that it works only in the people that are actually chatting. So I don't know if I can remove myself, so plain shift official, but all of you are basically there. So whoever is chatting is getting his avatar for about 10 minutes. And then if you stop chatting, the avatar after a bit will go away. I think they're also speaking. That I didn't know. Okay, so if you say something, your avatar says something. Let me eat Ula. If you say something, I think that they will do something. But I think it's more than this, because if you let me try, because I have to understand how it works, because it's new. It's new also for me. I think we have a way to customize the characters, right? So, but let me understand. Let me understand how this is. So I think if I type extension. No. Yes, if I type extension, they should be now in the chat. They should be now in the chat a link, right? They should have appeared. If you click on that link, in theory, it should bring you to a page. I think you need to sign in. Waiting for your avatar. Yeah, I think you need to sign in. And you should be able to see and customize your avatar. But I think you're logged in already, like you're logged in already with YouTube. So it's just saying, to me, it's just saying waiting for your avatar, installing avatar. So I don't see I don't see. Hello, Maui. Zwei is jumping. How did you jump? Did you jump? How did you jump? Ah, you type jump and you can jump? Okay. Attack requires a valid target. You want to attack someone? What is that? I don't know. I find it fun. I don't know exactly how to use it though. Is it working for you? Because for me, it's just saying. Wait a second. I'm just trying to do it in another window, maybe. To me, it's just saying waiting for your avatar, installing avatar. So is not because maybe because I'm using Firefox. I will try to use Chrome for a second. Waiting your avatar, installing your avatar. I don't know, it seems it works for you. I found it now. Okay. Okay, can you? Yeah, now I see it as well. I see it. I see it on my screen, right? And I can basically change the color of my avatar, right? I can change the color, and then I think you can also do some other stuff, but I'm not fully. I don't know exactly. Like you can hug, you can attack, you can sling, you can. I don't know. And I think that you also gain kind of gold by. You gain gold, and then I think we can have you attack something like a boss or something. I don't know really, but yeah, we have this thing. We have this thing now. Now for the people on Twitch, at the moment, I think I can do it only with one channel. Okay, so I can do it only with YouTube or Twitch. And at the moment, I selected YouTube just because we have more people watching on YouTube. But yeah, I think it would be fun. Okay, it's not taking too much space, let's say. But what is this jump that is? I found it funny. I find it funny. Okay. Why my character is as usual so high? They need to fix this. Oops, made a mistake. I need to fix the positioning of the avatar because it's not really the way I'm expecting it to be, but is it visible enough? Because I can make it a bit bigger, but I think that bigger will become annoying. Oh my god, Zwei just became something weird. I mean, you have like armor and stuff. Where did you get your armor? And Maui has a kind of a funny hat. Maui has a funny hat, and Marcellum has weird glasses. Oh my god! And yeah, I don't know. So I think that somehow you gain. I don't know if you gain coins by watching as well. I have no idea, but we can see because I never used it. But anyway, it's pretty fun. How did you do I have to sign in every time or what? I have to sign in every time, huh? How did you get the luckily it seems that this thing is not using too much. It's like using 6% GPU. I mean, still something, but not too bad. The program is called Steam Avatars, and I find it super cute. How did you... I have 10 gold now. I think the gold is going up, right? Hair. Ah, you can change your hair. Ah, look at that. So you select here the thing, and you can change your face. You can change your face. Look at this, boys. Look at what we've done. You can be a bandit if you want. Well, there are so many. Only for the face, there are so many. Oh my god, what did we do? What did we do with this? Back. Oh wow, you can have a cloak. Can have a backpack. I will have a backpack. Because I'm the one carrying the burden here, you know? Off hand, hand. So you can also put something in your hand. Main hand. So you can have a small sword. Nice. I think I will have a balloon. A balloon is the best. I will have a balloon in one hand, and that's it. I want to fly very, very high. I'm ready for exploration. Hello, Tua. We are doing some very, very important stuff. And in particular, I added an extension to the stream so that basically you have an avatar that is walking at the bottom with your name on it, and what happened? Streamlabs did something. There was like a big machine. There was like a jackpot thingy. You can hug people? How do you hug people? I think you need to hug. I think you need to hug and then give a name or something. Okay, I don't know if we will be able to do something useful now with the game, but we will have fun with this. Sling, you can sling stuff. Wow. Hello, Jet. Everything is going well. I'm just wondering about the people that are joining, you know? And they don't understand exactly what is going on. People like, can we filter some like Streamlabs? Okay, we can have Streamlabs there, but in theory, Streamlabs should not be there. So stream avatars, filter users. Remove target. Remove target user. I don't know. I will read it maybe off stream, but I guess. And by the way, you know what is the good thing? Is that I think we can make our own characters. So we could have plane shift races there. So we could have a Kran, we could have you lost gold? I don't know. Maybe buying customizations is costing gold. I have no idea. Stomp way. But you type it wrong, so Zwei name is very hard to type. With a slot. Okay, with a slot. I have no idea how this currency, the currency in this stream avatar is, but for what I understand, you know, I can summon stuff. So I think I can call in. I can call in something. So like spawn avatar. So I can call in a boss, for example, I think. But I'm not very sure. I don't know how to do it, but I think I can. Sling an avatar, click by dragging. Drop a bomb. Okay, let's try this. There is a bomb! I can drop bombs. I can drop bombs. I can drop bombs. I can drop gifts. Currency. I don't know. I have no idea. I need to learn this thing, but spawn a star for avatars to catch. What is that? If you jump at the right time, you can catch the star. You know, if you try to jump and you catch the star, maybe it gives you something. No, it's exclamation mark, I think, no? Is exclamation mark jump. Yeah, exactly, you got it. Maui got the star. I don't know what it gives you. Damn it. Yeah, the Yankees like, what the fuck are these people? What are they doing, really? What are they doing? Look at the face of Uadjet. You have beautiful hair, by the way. I really like your hair. Okay. Should we work on plane shift or continue to do this? No, but let me search this thing. Stream avatars boss. How do I summon a boss? Boss commands, because I think there is a way to summon a boss. No? Where is the boss? I don't know. The boss commands. What are the boss commands? Custom commands. Maybe there are custom commands. I don't know. But okay. I think commands. I think if you type commands. Should give the list of commands. I mean, YouTube is super slow, so, but I think Commands. Yeah, it took like half an hour, but then it took like 10 minutes, but then you should see the link, right? So avatars, keep a special avatar, gear, color, actions, jump, list all possible actions, stand, sit, dance, fart, hug, random, currency, shop, buy avatars, gift something, remove, change, mass jump, mass attack, what a duel. You can duel, you can bet, you can start a boss fight. Okay, it's just exclamation mark boss. So let me try to do this and see what happens. I did exclamation mark boss. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Let me put a blank. How can I have a blank? Something that is not messing up with... No. Let me have a blank view. 35, 36. I mean, in 35 seconds, I think something will happen. I don't know what, but 26. Yeah, because I started a boss fight, and I think he's just clearing the screen, I think, for 1 minute. And then something will happen. But type something in chat and your avatar will appear. Okay, I think you need to type to, because I think you reset it somehow. Pumpkin King, what the fuck is this? Pumpkin King. Okay, type something in chat. Guys, if you don't type something in chat, it's like yeah, Hula is there. Maui, if you type something, because I think I set it up as chat only, and I think you had 1 minute to type something and get into the fight. Okay, I don't know if I can stop it. Let me restart it. Let me restart. So basically, when he says, when there is the countdown, okay, when there is the countdown, you need to type something in the chat. I think anything. Let me try again. Boss, okay. So we do another boss fight, okay. So now you see, it's giving you 1 minute of time to enter. So you need to type something in the chat. Anything, like hello or whatever. I think so, no? I don't know. Zwei is in. Zwei, how did you enter? Join. You have to type join, exclamation mark join, and then you have to choose between warrior, priest, and mage. I didn't read it. So do exclamation mark join. Exclamation mark join, and then, for example, warrior, okay, or exclamation mark join priest. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay, we got some people in, and now we have some NPC. Oh, it's the pumping king again. Okay, so now I think you need to fight. I don't know exactly how this works because I never did it. But okay, Zwei has 20 seconds. You can do mortal strike, demoralize, or protect. So you have to type one of those things, Zwei. I think you have to type like exclamation mark mortal strike or demoralize, or just attack. I think you can do one thing at a time. I think you can do one every turn. It's like turn-based, you know? And so every turn you have one action. Holy moly, this boss is super strong. So now, inertial, you can do firebolt, lifesteal. I think a lifesteal may be usable, but I don't know, it's only during your turn to... you see that I think you see it on stream, right? That he's saying inertial design, pretty big at the top, right? Or not? You see it or not? You should be able to see it. Live. Customize. Yeah, you see it. He's saying Tua. Now is the turn of Tua. So Tua can do Molter Strike, Demoralize, or Protect. Right? I think this thing will last forever. Mortal Strike. Did it do any damage? Or not? Holy shit. Maui took some damage. Now Hula. Hula is your turn. You see that he sees your name. You can Firebolt, Lifesteal, or Dampen. It is for people who have a really boring life. No, don't say that. In a small game. But basically the idea is that while I'm working, you know, on stuff, you can fight this guy, right? So while I'm working on plane shift, you can fight him if you're getting bored. This boss seems to be super strong anyway. And if you don't want to fight him, it's okay. You can just leave him there, and I don't know what he will do. Probably will kill you though. Which is probably something that you don't want. I don't know. I think it's interesting that you can interact, you know, with the stream like this. I immediately wanted to start an extension myself, you know, like can I develop an extension myself that does something, and like we have plane shift characters and plane shift bosses or something. I don't know. The only thing I don't know is the delay, because considering the stream is about 20 seconds delay, I don't know if you have enough time, you know, to type your command. That I don't know. Okay, meanwhile you play, I will just continue to do what I have to do. I find it kind of funny anyway. No? Ula disagrees. Ula said no, this is a stupid game. Ula say no. It's a stupid game. The boss is like 30%. I mean, he's like, he lost like 30%. Yeah, I think it's designed for Twitch, but actually it should be working also with the others. You don't see the avatar? They are too small? Really? I can make it bigger, I think, but if I make it bigger, I think the stream will be, you know, like this. I think the stream will be only this game, but now it should be bigger. Now it should be bigger. Is it big enough? You're already running. No. Okay. I have to focus a bit on what I'm doing, or I will do it wrong. You will say, no, don't change the page because we don't see the monster. We don't see the monster, so we cannot. Please don't change the page. The monster is half health anyway, eh? Wow, NPC bot 2 died. Holy shit. NPC bot 2 died. Okay. I'm distracted myself as well. I'm a bit distracted because I want to see if you win or if you lose. I think it's fun that you can interact with the stream, you know, so that you are interacting with commands on the stream. I think it's an interesting concept, you know. I think it's an interesting concept that you can how it's going. Hula, you're nearly dead. No. Who died? Oh shit, I think the boss will win. I can try to drop a bomb on the head of the boss. I don't know if I can do it. I can try, let me try. I will try to drop a bomb on the head of the boss, but you are walking there, so it's very, very risky. No. I will kill you if I do it. I think I will kill you if I do it. It's not a good idea. These are all info, huh? Yeah, these are all info. I think the boss is strong. Oh my god, someone died. I think you need to heal people. Is someone healing? I think we need a priest to heal people. If you don't heal, we need more priests. We need more priests in the team. No? This freaking boss is strong. It's nearly dead, but also you are nearly dead. We need to life steal. There must be one or two people that are life stealing. Is exclamation mark life steal. Like you see there, life steal. Like this. No more people die. What jet is like in the back? No, another people died. No, also the bot. Only Mau is left. I don't know. Yeah, life steal, but a bit late, Ulla. You are already dead. You are already dead. It's kind of hard to do this job while watching you play because I'm getting distracted as well. There's only Maui left. I don't know if you can kill him. There's only Maui left, and Uajet, where is Uajet? He's there, but he's not typing. I think because Uajet is not active in the chat, he has been put at the back. Oh my god! I think the boss won. It's only. I think the boss won, boys. Yeah, the boss won. I think if we are more people, maybe we can kill him. But I don't know. Let me just check how big you are. I think like this you are too big and you're going out of the screen, so I need to make you smaller, otherwise, or I put you here, but then you are in front of the chat, you know? Is it still too small? I think it's big, but I don't know, maybe it's just my perception of it. I'm a bit distracted, boys. I don't know if I'm doing mistakes here. Probably. I'm probably doing mistakes. I think I'm doing mistakes. It's not with the... It's not with the slash, it's with the exclamation mark. I find it funny. Anyway, just the novelty of the day. Then we will get bored very quickly, I guess, of this thing, but for now, I think it's fun. So what I'm doing, so I have, so the plan for today is to convert the Game Master Event Manager, which is one of the many managers that we have in the game, and is this guy, GM Event Manager CPP and GM Event Manager.h. I don't know why sometimes the windows pop up, but anyway. And so basically I have imported this file from the old game. So this file is completely old code, and I'm converting it to Unreal. Okay, which is something that I did already for the other managers, but not for this one yet. I can eat someone. And yeah, so now there are two different ways. I can put everyone in, or I can put only the people that are chatting in, right? I don't know, I decided to do only the people that are chatting, but it may be Wedget is dancing. Okay. Okay. So the first pass that I'm doing on this thing is to basically transform all the messages. You see all these messages, like there are already X player in the event, blah blah blah, because we reached like the maximum, which is 100 by the way, so we need to have 100 players online to do this, to have this message. And you can register yourself to your own event, invalid target, you know. So all these are the outputs of the event system. And yeah, hello Black King. Yes, this is C++, correct. And C++, and we also using blueprints in a real engine, but we are using C++ for you know, most, I would say all or most of the server side. You know, I prefer anyway to copy the default one, so I'm not messing up. Wait a second, what is doing here? PS server send system info, client num, target client num. So here we have two different so one is client and one is target. Okay, I think that is fine. So we have two different messages. One is sent to the person, I guess, who is inviting or registering, and the second message is sent to the one that is like the receiver, right? So and so at the moment I'm converting a class which is dedicated to Game Master events. It seems to be an easy job, and actually kind of it is, but you need to avoid making mistakes, otherwise the message is sent will be wrong, you know. So, and you want, and catching these errors after the fact is not very easy. So here also we have two different system messages. In this case it's only one line, so we can easily take this and this. Take this message and put it in. But by the way, the setup of the stream is becoming more and more complex, right? So now I need even more stuff. I think it will take me a bit to do this because I see there are a lot of messages which are basically the response to all the commands, you know. And so, yeah. I'm not even reading the code, I'm just kind of mechanically, you know, converting it. This is exactly where you make mistakes, by the way. Attack. You're attacking people. Do you think it's better to keep it only for the people that are active? Or do you think I should place everyone? I can try to change it and place everyone. I don't know what is better. Maybe try with the quotes. Maybe try with the quotes because there is a space. Try something like this. Try maybe with the quotes to avoid this. I mean, to include the space, because maybe otherwise he's thinking is two names or something. But yeah, if you have a very weird name, like with Japanese characters, no one will attack you because they don't know how to do it. These are like single lines. Attacking Streamlabs got you killed. Streamlabs seems to be very powerful because he's the one that is running the show, so... No, but I think you can kill him. I think he's randomized. No? I think it's kind of randomized. I think I should do a pass on all the... but yeah, let's finish this pass on system info, because I think is the most annoying and is the one that I need to do the quickest. You kill Streamlabs. You can try to kill me. Ah, you're trying to kill me, huh? Let's see. I don't know if you can attack continuously, or you can... or you have like a cooldown. Okay, let me restart it with everyone, okay, including the people that are not chatting. Including the people that are not chatting. Sorry, 1 second. I will disconnect you. So I will do everyone in chat. Everyone in chat though seems to do the same. I think he requires probably, I don't know. Now I changed the setting. The setting now is everyone in chat. I don't know, maybe it just takes time to... maybe it just takes time to restart, I don't know. Because now I see only one person. No? You like my avatar? With the balloon to go up in the sky, to reach new height. I don't know, I restarted it, but it seems that it did more damage than good, because I see only 2 people now. Now people start to pop up. I think probably only the people that are really active, you know, the people that are here. I guess. Unfortunately, I have to catch all the messages like this. And there are so many. So it is one of the annoying part of this conversion, but we have to do it. There's no way to escape. I think we can remove all the target get character data, so all these ones can be replaced with with nothing. Because anyway, boom, 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 boom. Hello, George. I'm good. We added a new small thing to the stream. As you can see, there is a small guy named George walking left and right on the stream. And if you type !extension, you will have a link where you can customize your little guy, and he will stay associated to you the next time you are here, I guess. So I think it's getting saved, so somewhere, I don't know. Probably. What we are doing is to convert the GM event system. Because I would like to have one event in the new game one day. I don't know when, but the idea is that maybe we will be able to do it. And so I'm converting this module, which is one of the missing ones. I mean, we don't have too many left. I think there are like 4 or 5, I mean 6, maybe 5 or 6 managers which are missing from porting, but not many of them are very important. This one is important, and so we are doing it. There is a single liner, so I can take just one line. By the way, if this line at client would help me, because it will be easier, I guess. No. Let me just substitute all of those with client, even if I'm pretty sure that as soon as I do it, then I will need the actors, but yeah, but this is the send system info conversion script, or how you want to call it. So I'm just, you know, pasting it, taking the old message, putting in the new code, taking the old message, putting in the new code, and just deleting the old code. The logic is the same, it's just that the code is different. And Maui, you cannot join unless there is a boss. I mean, if I spawn a boss, I think the boss can only be spawned by me. So if I spawn a boss or spawn some stuff, then I think you can then join the fight. But I mean, it's the first time I use this extension, so I don't really know how to use it properly. So I just started it out. I bought it like 10 minutes before starting the stream, so. Why everyone is typing join? Because you don't see your character? I think you can just type something. Like say hello or something. And it should appear. Baxus. Hello, Baxus. Ah, you are there on the left, yes. I see you. The blue block guy. The blue guy. The blue small cute guy. So we can also develop, like I said, our own characters in that extension. So in theory, we could have Enkidukai, Kran characters and things like that. Even if I think the square guys, I mean this block, how they are called, I think they are pretty cool. You are there, yes. Did you change your skin? Let me see. No, you still didn't change your skin. Be sure you click on live at the bottom, because sometimes I have the feeling that you guys are watching a previous version of it. Streamlabs is running around. I don't know how much time it takes before you issue a command and your character is actually doing something. That I don't know, but the delay between the stream and the chat, I think, is about 20 seconds. I think so. Oh shit, what happened? Boom. Someone is fighting, or someone is fighting. I mean, it's just another way to have people, you know, feel more engaged with the stream and be more part of the stream. I think it's a fun thing. I would like to develop an extension myself to see how you can do it. But in this life we don't have enough time to do everything, you know, so you have to pick your battles. Baxus, did you manage to customize it? No, not yet, huh? If you click on the link that is shown on screen, you log in with the same YouTube account, and then you can click at the top and you can customize your character. Unless you like it like this, maybe you like it simple. And simple is also good. Pretty sure I'm making some mistakes, but we can fix them later. Like, I think I'm forgetting some of the escape. And I think that some of these messages will be duplicated, but okay. I think it's fine for now. I don't know if all these checks that I'm modifying are really needed, but you know, it's better for me not to think about it, just convert them all, and then if we see that it's something weird in the code, we will fix it. This is addictive. You like it? I mean, it's good you like it. I think it will get boring soon. I mean, after you tried it a bit, you know. After you try it a bit, then maybe you will, but I think it's fun. If you do, I think, exclamation mark commands, you can see all the commands. I'm eating you. Yum, 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 yum. You have to move away. It seems the majority of the people are on the left. Why? No, they move. So one of the advantages is that I don't have to speak too much to keep you entertained now. I can have the mini game entertain you. This AI doesn't guarantee high entropy when moving the characters. Okay, when you want to fight a boss, let me know, and I can summon a boss. Okay, and you will be able to fight this boss. Yeah, this work of converting an old class is super annoying. I mean, it's not super annoying, but anyways, it's kind of grunt work, you know, at the maximum extent. I'm just putting just a little intelligence in what I'm doing, but very, very little. And I don't think there is an automatic way for me to do this. I don't think I can like substitute, you know, something and magically get the result. Here I'm doing a mistake. Yeah, I have to be sure that whenever there are two lines with an if, then I... Yeah, I have to do something like that, right? I have to be sure that I select like target. You say this guy needs to go here. Otherwise, we will send the message to the wrong guy. This manager is not too big, but so we are pretty much, I think we are near the end of this pass. At least. So it's not too big, but it's anyway 1,200 lines or so. So basically, if I want the people to move on Twitch, I can just connect this extension on Twitch, and everyone will go there to say, "No, I want to see my little guy on the screen." And so I will, I will connect, you know, to the other service just to have the little guy on screen. Maybe. Maybe. So we are doing one pass, right, to catch all the send system info, which are the ones that have to be converted to the new system with the method that you see me doing now. After this pass, I think the number of errors will go down significantly, and then we will have to do anyway another pass or multiple passes, because this is just one pass. Okay, we are at the end of the file, which is nice. So at least this send system info pass is done. Okay, now that we did this one, I think we can go for the errors. So the error, like this one, error 1, error 1, error 1. So this error 1 are, let me see your characters running around. No, is connected. Is connected only to Twitch. Unfortunately. Sorry, it's connected only to YouTube and not on Twitch. So your Twitch character is not showing up because you can connect it only to one service at a time, which makes sense. Usually people are streaming only in one place, right? It's me that I'm streaming on 2 places at the same time is a bit weird, but I mean, not weird, but so all the errors should become EU log error, right? So I think we can just take this, put it here, and close this like that. So I need to basically all the error 1. I need to, well, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it this way, which is probably the simplest, and then just close the parentheses at the end, right? You were testing the delay differences. Yeah, I can see the delay difference if I watch the stream, and if I watch the stream and at the same time I display the clock. If I display my clock like this, so it's 11:02, and let's see how much time it will take to show up. Okay, here it is, you see? So 11:02:36 versus 11:02:40 something. So is about 12 seconds of difference. 10-12 seconds. But remember to click on live at the bottom, because sometimes I see that people maybe are behind, but yes, is about 10 seconds of difference, so it's not too much. I think it's reasonable. 10-12 seconds. And I think for Twitch is about the same, is 10-12 seconds as well. So it's not too, at the end it's not too bad. Now we're changing all the error messages, putting them in the Unreal Engine syntax. Oops. Do I remember the show ID is coming out as a string? Yes, it's coming out as a string, so we need to escape it properly. I think there will be like 3 or 4 more passes like this on the world file. Definitely the most annoying are these ones, the one related to display of messages. Do you want to try to fight a boss again? We can see if there is another boss, but I think the boss depends on the number of people. Are you ready to fight a boss? So basically what will happen when we fight a boss is the following. First you will see a countdown on the screen. Okay, you will see a countdown on the screen, which will tell you that you have 1 minute to register to the fight. Okay, so you need to be active. If you're not active, then you will not be able to register. So and then you will have to choose which class you want to join. So you can join as a warrior, you can join as a priest, and there was also another one that I don't know now what was it, but it is a message telling you. So you will have to type !join and then the class you want to join. I think we need 1 or 2 priests at least, otherwise you cannot heal, right? Then what will happen is that the boss will arrive and he will go in turns, right? So it will be the turn of the boss and then one of your guys' turn, and in your guys' turn there will be a display of messages, so they will tell you what to do. So like cast a spell or do things like that. Okay, so let me try to summon the boss and see what happens. I don't know how many of you are actually active, but I'm summoning the boss, boys. I don't know how much time it takes, but it should arrive soon. Para. It's not here. Yeah, the commands are like super delayed on YouTube. It's not working. I don't know why. It's not starting. Maybe there is a maximum. Maybe there is a cooldown for the boss. Like I can do maximum 1 boss every X minutes. I don't know. There should be a countdown, but maybe there is a cooldown for the boss. Maybe there is a cooldown for it. Maybe. Sorry, no boss. No boss. Why? I can try to do it in the normal chat, but I think it's the same. Boss. Boss. Doesn't want to do it. Maybe there is a cooldown, or we need to have a certain number of people. No, people no, because we did it. We did it with less people. Maybe there is a cooldown, so I cannot summon it continuously. We can try later. We can try later. Okay, I think we got all the errors. Now we have the send system error. Okay. Send system error. Send system error are similar to the one that we just did, just with a different, they're using a different command. So I need to get this one. Yes, this one. And then there will be another one, which is send system OK. Oops. But I think they're still developing, you know, this kind of small plugin, this plugin thing, and they are adding more stuff. I understood that they're adding like small quest or stuff that you can do to gain money. I just need to read the documentation. Just need to read it. Okay, we finished the send system error, which is nice. Now we are searching for send system OK, which is another category. And send system OK will be this one. The wiki page I'm copying from is the wiki page that I built when I did the migration of the code the first time. And so now I'm basically reusing it, you know. Okay, so the system OK, there was only one, so fairly easy. Price for boss summoning? I don't know why it's not working. I think we can do a trick. I can close the plugin and start it again. Maybe it will be reset. I don't know. But I can do some stuff. I can like, I don't know what is this. B block collision. Ladders? What is ladders? Right. What is this? Oh my god! I cannot believe it. I can put ladders. I can put ladders on the screen. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. I can basically build a level, boys. I can build and it is beautiful. I can build a level. Oh my god, this thing is insane. I don't know, there are other options, but I don't understand them too much. It seems that I can like lock one person or do things like that. But I don't think that's very fun. Okay, so now I would like to do the sides pass. So sides was yes, get sides. I get sides. Yes, get sides. In the old code, get sides was the way to get the number of elements in an array, and and now it's called num. So we just need to be sure that we are applying it. Yes, to array, and then if we are applying it to array, I think is fine, so we can change them all. Nice. Now, delete all is another common one. Delete all is to remove all the elements of one array, and in Unreal Engine is called empty. I mean, I can double check just for to be sure, but tarray empty, yes. So I need to substitute all the delete all with empty. I think we can just do it massively. There are 6. And okay, let's try the boss again. Are you ready for the boss? Let me try if I can summon it. I don't know. Let me try. But I think it's based on cooldown. But I can try again. Boss. Go, boss. It should just be boss something. I mean, I did boss before and it seems it was working. I really like the stairs. The stairs are super cool. No, it seems that the boss is not working. Maybe is I did it twice, so maybe it takes time, you know. Okay, so GM message type. So the subscribe, we don't need it anymore because we will call it direct. Now we have a bunch of DB select. Now the DB select, I think we're substituted with query. Yes, DB query. So I think I can change all the DB select to DB query. I think it should be fine. Now DB result. I think I did it differently. I think this result is not the way, let me check, it's not the way we did it. Yeah, I think we have it like this. Okay, let me change the wiki because this is confusing me otherwise. So this one is not like this, but I don't know which kind of blocks I have. Block option I have ladder, spawn zone, one way. I don't know what is one way. Let me try one way. One way probably means that you can only go one way. I don't know. Kind of weird. Ladders. I don't know if I make the ladders going up, if it's starting to be, I mean, like you cannot see the you cannot see the thing anymore. No. I can make ladders on the side. On the side I think is easy. Oops. Look at this ladder on the left. Look at this. Look at this ladder on the left. Oh my god. What is it? Do you think if you jump down you will die? Let me see what happens. Let me see what happens if someone goes up, you know? If someone goes up that way. I think someone will go. I think someone will go. Okay. Tell me someone is going. I will watch it maybe. Yeah, someone is getting closer. But it's not going up. Okay, let me change this to this. Ah, Zwei is going up. Also, George is going up. Everyone is going up now. Also, Marcelo is going up. No one is going right though. Marcelo is undecided. It's staying up there. Baxus is going up as well. In the super high thingy. Yay! Jumping down. It's jumping down a lot. I don't know if you can go down that, but maybe you can. No idea. Okay, let's try to move on, boys. Otherwise, so we need to do a result set equal to the BigQuery. In this case will be events. Register players. Ah, someone is going there. Zen is going there. Blip, 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 blip. Yay! Also, Baxus is going there. You can make what, Zen? You can make an undead abomination. Which deceased creatures? Wow, you mean the people in the small avatars? I don't know. Okay, there were only 2 queries. Interesting. Okay, so now we can do another pass for like truncate. Okay. By the way, this one is client. No, I copy pasted this thing wrong. It is when I was distracted by you. But it seems that there is a space for another ladder on the left, but I don't think is possible. No, it's not possible. Do you think you can go down with ladders? I don't know. You should be able to go down. Okay. I think it's just randomizing, you know, where my character is going there. Yeah, you can't go down. Easy. With my balloon. Yeah. Did you ever play Vanguard Saga of Heroes of Divine Divinity? No, those names do not trigger anything on me. I don't remember. I don't remember this kind of games now. Were PC games or because if they are like PlayStation or Nintendo, I may not know them much. Even if I have a PlayStation, but I had a PlayStation very long time ago and I didn't play too much of it. I've always been playing on PC. Can evaluate. What it's trying to do here is just checking that it's not empty. I think it's just checking that it's not empty. Not fully sure to understand what it's doing here. He had a necromancer class? No, I don't remember that. I'm having fun adding blocks to this thing. But I think the size of the screen is not the same as the size of the stream, so meaning that the ladders are not going to the full right. Yes, I think they are. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, not the full space. No, I don't think I played them. Maybe if I see a screenshot I will remember, but no, I don't think I did. They have a necromancer class type is unique, the permanent summon path which stitches together from the harvested part of other creatures. Nice. I remember Creatures, the game where you were you know, you could build any type of what was the name of the other game? Spore, no? Spore, this one was the one where you could build any possible creature. It was kind of fun. So you were basically attaching pieces to, so you could decide how many legs, how many arms, and then for each piece you could add additional joints and you could place eyes and mouth and create creatures the way you wanted. It was called Spore. I think it was a revolutionary game, at least at that time. And you could create any possible beast you could. That was kind of interesting. So what do we do with this error? Basically, this error is checking if vote is null, then it goes into evaluate yes. Seems a bit weird, but anyway, we can do a is empty, and then we go into evaluate yes. Right? We don't need this parenthesis. As you can see, the errors on the right are becoming smaller and smaller. I mean, fewer and fewer. There are still a lot, but we are starting to see the light. At least we have more lines that are not errors than lines that are errors at the moment. So we are definitely improving. Truncate 5 becomes f string left 5. Okay. Is this returning a string? Yeah, the problem is that this one is returning a string. So I think that this thing is not correct. Because actually I need to return it into another string, so it is a bit different than that. Where is it? I lost it. I see. So I need to do event name equal to and then left of that. Otherwise it will not be changed. There are no other truncates. New event id. DB command. DB command, we don't have it listed anyway. But I think the DB command with multiple parameters probably needs to become no. Did I change all the DB command to be query? Looks like. Like you need to prepare the query before. So you need to prepare your query before, and then you need to do command different than one, because command is returning one, I think. Hello, Drogas. Good evening to you. Welcome. If you see something weird on screen, I mean, it's yeah. It's kind of a new plugin that I added to the stream, but it's connected only on YouTube. But you know what I can do? I can switch it to Twitch and see if everyone then goes to Twitch automatically because they want to see their own avatar there. Maybe they will. I don't know. Okay, we are converting the Game Master event class, the GM event class, to Unreal Engine, because it's one of the managers that we didn't port yet, and so we are porting it right now. I hope to finish the rough code conversion soon. At the moment I'm still on it, but I hope I can finish it soon so that we can start then to test it. I'm just typing something here, var1, var2, var3. So this thing, this thing becomes, so in the old code we had this kind of this kind of formatting inside the db command, but now we don't have it anymore, so we need to split it. I split it for a matter of simplicity because it was too complex otherwise. And so let me go in Cache Manager, maybe we have some examples. Yeah, exactly. So we need to do a format before whatever. And then we do a db command, and then we do a db command of that thingy, of that command string. Okay, I'm just recording it here on the wiki, so I don't have to think about it the next time, because so it's easier for me. Okay, so basically, yes, in this case, we need to transform this one into a command string first, and then after we convert into a command string, we can actually call the actual query with this command string, right? Okay. Why? Text, yeah, no, it's correct, like this, yes. Yes. Do, 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 do. Would be nice if I could place like a gift in a place so people that reach it, but it starts to be complex. I don't know what is this one. Is this sling? Do you want me to try? I can sling someone. Who wants to be swung? I don't know what is the. Let me take Tua. Tua, I'm gonna swing you, okay? Bam. Ah, okay, like this. That's pretty simple. I can decide, but I cannot swing down though. I mean up. I cannot swing. So the swing is not very. The swing is not a very big functionality. I can basically push someone in a certain direction. I can pin someone. Let me try to pin me. Yes, I can pin. I can pin people in the middle of the screen. Look at that. I pinned myself in the middle of the screen. That is so stupid. I mean, why? Yeah, the problem is that we are not going through. We are not going forward, you know. We are just playing the game. Let me try if we can summon the boss again. I don't know. Let me try. I'm trying to summon the boss again. Okay, let's see if it works. I don't know. I don't know if it works. Maybe it can be done only every hour or something. I don't know. Yes, it started. Okay. So you have to type join and then a class, okay? Join war, you have to type join warrior or join priest or join something else which I don't remember. You have to type join priest or join warrior or join something. You have to do it now, otherwise the time will be over and we'll only have one fighter. I think I need to make this timer like 5 minutes or something because mage. Yeah, but no one typed it. So it will be only its way. I think not enough people. Yeah, there was not enough people to fight, and so he bailed out. Pity. Yeah, it's the delay of the stream. I think I need to make the... Or you are sleeping, boys. But one or the other. It's okay, next time. Tomorrow. No, I want the boss now. I know that Hula is already asking for the boss. No, I want the boss now. Look at the freaking chat. It's like typing. Yeah, is warrior, priest, or mage. Yeah, but it's coming so late. It's coming so late to the chat. That's very bad. Can we increase the boss thingy? I will search if I can increase the time, you know, from 1 minute to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes would be enough. Okay, I lost track of what I was doing, boys. Yes, this query. Okay, then this other query. What is it? GM event ID. Store the registration in the DB. Yeah, it is the same. So we need to do the same thing. So we need to f string command something, right? And then we need to db command string. Then what is the next error? Get objects in range. This we will do it later because I think it's not that very easy. T-array of gem object. No, this must become... Well, I said a gem object should become, in theory... Well, here we are searching players though, because we are registering players, so we should have an array of APS characters, right? The message needs to come before the event. Yeah, but when I type boss, okay, I can, you know, I can copy it and I can copy, but if it's so much delayed, I can copy the message, you know, and 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 paste it here. You know, you can do something like that. Holy shit, that's a bit too much. I can do this and make everything super big. And so as soon as I type boss in the chat, you know, I can display that, and I think that will be easier for people, right? Assuming that the people are here, because I understand that people may be doing something else meanwhile. I mean, they're like keeping an eye on the stream, but not really being, you know, there. I understand that. What the fuck? There is an error in the old code. Do you see this? There is an equal instead of equal equal. And there is an equal here instead of equal equal. This one will never work, boys. There is also a mistake in the old code. You know? Ah, no. This is exactly what he wanted to do. That is exactly what he wanted to do. It's a bit weird, but this is what he wanted. He wanted to assign here. He wanted to assign. He really wanted to assign. This get client, I don't remember, but I think this get client was just returning the PS character, so I think I can remove it. We need to fix this function, but I will do it. I will do it later because I'm lazy. Because I'm lazy. Yeah, this find player, I think we already have a list of find player entity. The event player P player ID. So we are going with a single ID. So I think this find player entity PID is what we need. By the way, I'm really not happy about this kind of huge calls that I have, you know. Like this thing, you know, maybe I should just move this method somewhere else. because I think it's a bad idea to have such a line all the time just to get my functions which are declared in base game mode. So maybe I should just have a variable for base game mode which is just declared on PS Unreal like all the other managers, and just get that variable assuming that is correct. But I don't know, I really like this up to now. And wow, so many people in here. Look at how many small characters are running around. And there are also 3 people in Twitch. By the way, people in Twitch, hello. I hope you are not feeling left out. No, actually, no, I'm trying. Let me try to connect to Twitch. Boom, you are dead. Sorry. Boom, you are dead. Okay, let's try to do the same thing with Twitch. I don't think I can do it easy, but let's see. Let's see. Login details. Okay, YouTube, Twitch TV. Yes, Twitch TV. Your channel out token. Oh my god, I think I need to do something that will show something on screen that I should not show. So 1 second. Let me try to connect this thing to Twitch. Because I think he's asking me, you know, these secret tokens and something like that, you know. And the secret tokens is something that you should never display on stream, because I don't know what happens then, but you know. Okay, I'm doing the thing. He's saying that it's working. Okay, I did it. Now I don't know what will happen, but I don't know what will happen. I think I just do connect. Okay. Oh my god, who are all these people? Who are all these people? Hello, people. I mean, we don't have that many people in Twitch, so they are bots or what? No, Dakre is the real one. Drogos is the real one. But anyway, now I connected Twitch. Okay, so I'm sorry, but the people on YouTube don't have the avatars. So if you type, you are real, yeah. If you if you type exclamation mark extension, I think you see it anyway. You see, and you click on that. You click on that link, right? I think you see the. You should see the text, right? You should see the link. If you click on that link, you should be able to customize your avatar, so you can change like the eyes, the what he has in his hands, the head, and whatever. But no, it's way I connected to YouTube. No, sorry, I connected it to Twitch. I have to place a disclaimer. Disclaimer. This thing is now connected to Twitch. Just to let our Twitch friends also have some fun, okay? So let me say, the little guys are now the ones of twitch.tv/planeshift, okay? So if you are on YouTube, yeah, it would be very nice to have both, but maybe I can have two. No, I don't think so. I don't know if I can launch the program twice, but if you want to investigate for me that, the program is called Streaming Avatars. So if you can search the web, it's called Streaming Avatars. And it's this program, right? No, sorry, stream avatars. You can search if it's possible to do it double, but I searched a bit, but only 5 minutes, and I didn't find anything, so. But I think it's a very cool one. Let me see if anyone is able to customize their character or not. Drogos, show me if you can customize your character, so I know that it's working. Please. I think half of those people on Twitch are bots. Like Restream bot is definitely a bot. Plane Shift is me. All the others I don't know. Commander Root is a bot for sure, I know it. I think the other question is, on stream avatars, how can I filter the bots? Custom bots can now be blacklisted. There is a way to do it. Okay, I will read it off stream. Okay, let's try to. Only click authorize if you trust the stream avatars. Yeah. I don't know, you can trust them, who cares? The maximum they can do, they read your cookies, you know? Who cares? Who cares? Okay, so let's go on, boys. Let's not be too distracted or we will never finish this. Completed. What is this completed thingy? No, but I was doing something else. I was... Ah, yes, define player, right? But define player I think now is okay. Yes, define player is okay. This completed. Wait, it doesn't like it because is again the thingy. Okay. So we need to do the db command. Yes, we need to do this. And then this. But I'm glad you like this minigame. I think it's fun. Also, I like a lot the faces of these guys. They are like small guys, you know, with the blocky face. I think it's pretty cool. So if you want to see a small guy, you should go on Twitch, okay? And yes, you need to register on Twitch. I know it's a bit annoying. Maybe you don't want to do it. Do as you wish. As you wish, boys. Okay. Get ticks. Get ticks. I think we have the translation. So get ticks. Time 0. Need to include C time. Not if you need second, then it's okay to use this one. If you need millisecond, use this one. Okay. I don't know if we need seconds or milliseconds, but I would assume... I don't know. Let's use milliseconds for now, and then we will see. Now, other errors. Admin manager. Admin manager, I think we have it. It's just called admin manager without the PS server. So I think it's this. And client num in our case becomes client. I think we can automatically change all client num to client, by the way. No one customized their character on Twitch. So or everyone is a bot, or everyone is sleeping. One of the two. Use extension to customize your little guy, little blocky guy. Okay. What are we doing here? This one should become an APS character, right? And this one can just be like this. I know it's a bit redundant and stupid line, but I leave it like this just for sanity for now. And then find player. We have again this find player thingy. So we did it already above. It's searching a player by ID. Now I don't know if that is really still needed, but for us is this insane line. This insane line is giving us what we need. Client connection set, server get connection is useless. Admin manager becomes admin manager. Range 2 becomes I think I have it is distance 2. Yeah. Can we change all of them so we do it in one shot maybe? No, wait. I did current project, holy moly. Okay, it's only in that place. It's only one place. Get actor. Get actor is another thing that I think we can just remove. There's only one. Okay. Want to show a screen again? What do you mean? You're not on screen? Oh fuck. Come on, why you're not telling me? Fuck. Sorry, I forgot. It's good that you told me because I thought you were visible. I mean, you were seeing the screen. Also, I was speaking about the your character view and stuff. So, okay, sorry. Why no one told me? Why no one told me? Yes, I'm speaking. I'm sleeping. Huh? It's okay. Pa 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 pa. Yeah, also you said I'm real, and so I thought that you were seeing yourself. Because I have two monitors, and on the two monitors I already have a lot of stuff, so I didn't see that. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry, boys. I'm also trying to go on with this thing. Get ticks. Get ticks seems to be used a lot. Let's search the other get ticks. Maybe we find more. But here we have a problem because check evaluation status. What? I need a player to be able to call this function, or I need the world, and the world I can get it from spawn manager in case. Okay, let's do it like this. It's not the best, but okay. All this player get was the old way of accessing the array, so we don't care about it anymore. GM info message. This one we will have to change for sure. This one we'll have to change. Yeah, that's why no one customized their thing, because no one could see themselves, you know. On Twitch, use extension. You're a little blocky guy. I like the little blocky guy. Okay. Gym event. This one, I don't know. We'll fix it later because it's not very easy. Okay. Here we have a bunch of append format. I think this one we need to change. Append format is actually becoming just an append of a string formatting. Okay, so basically we can substitute append format with this. I think so. So I think we can do a find and replace, and then we will have to fix every single one, but you know, because this will break now, because you need to close one more parenthesis and one more parenthesis, and you have to do the same in all these other cases. Yeah, all these find player by ID, by the way, I don't think will be needed anymore in the future, because here he was working basically between two different managers, and I think he was sending to the client the list by ID, and now we could avoid it because we can send pointers across the network, right? Across the network connection. I mean, are they really all bots? I don't know. We have 6 people, 6 real people watching on Twitch. Are there? They're like, what is this thing? What is this guy doing? One guy catches the star and is now dancing. One guy catches the star is now dancing. Rubber Slayer. So client connection find player, we need to change it again to that monster thingy. Can we search all the find players, and so we change them all, because I think it's easier to change them all in one shot. Like this one. Wait. No, wait. Is find player or find player entity? Ah! I messed up here. Is find player entity, not find player. Yes. So I need to substitute find player with find player entity fully. Yes. Exactly. Yeah, there are a million of those. Because all these commands were working based on ID. I mean, we can still use the ID, it's not a problem, but they say that in Unreal will not be required anymore. So we do it because it was in the old code this way, but it's definitely not needed. Okay. These were all the instances of find player. Let me start from the bottom just for fun. So we have another db command. Maybe we can also do the work on all the db commands at once, so that we don't do the same thing continuously. Right? So there is one db command here and one db command here. And this one is this. And this one is this. And this one is this. Okay, no one cares about customizing. Okay, I understand. The YouTube people were more active on customizations than you guys. Definitely more active. Definitely more active. Okay, let me search the other db command so that we change them all, because I think that it's a good idea to do them all at once. This one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct, this one is not. Okay, so this one we need to convert with the same technique. Now this will become 2 lines. So we need to do something like this. Anyway, the crazy thing is that basically I touched every single line of this code, or nearly, you know. So yes, I'm reusing the logic, but if you look at the amount of stuff I'm changing, I'm basically touching every line of code. Guys, if you have any questions on what I'm doing, or if you have any question on Unreal Engine itself, or on the game, or on the meaning of life, or on the number 42, you can ask me, okay? No, I'm joking. But if you have any questions, please please go on, and or if you have any topic you want to chat about. I mean, yes, I'm a bit focusing on this, but you know, one of the reasons I'm streaming is also to interact with you, so I'm perfectly fine in spending time chatting a bit with you, and having fun with you is okay. So if you have any questions, what do you think about JavaScript? JavaScript is very handy. You can You can use it for a lot of stuff, and it's very, very easy. You don't mess up with pointers because he has no pointers. All the variables are easy to use, and so I like it. Now, depending how much you put it in a web page, I mean, you can also use it the bad way. So if you exaggerate with JavaScript, like if you decide to put all your PHP into JavaScript instead of the opposite, you know, it may become a monster. So you have to be a bit careful how you use it. So let's say it's a powerful weapon, and as every powerful weapon, you need to be careful on how you use it. But yeah, I did some stuff in JavaScript, not too much, but I mean I did some over the years. I think over the years I did I programmed in like any possible language, but I also did some apps for iPhone, for example. Which if you are a programmer on Windows and you are then one day starting to do apps for the iPhone, it's such a weird feeling. It's such a weird feeling, it's insane. Because everything is different. Even the simple concept that you always knew, they are completely broken then. They don't make any sense anymore. So you have to relearn everything again.
Practice does make perfect.
And yes, if you practice it a lot, it will definitely make it. My daily job, I'm a manager in a software company. But I don't do software at all. Otherwise, I think I will not be able to do software also in the evening, you know. Even if I was younger, I was doing software, and I was doing software also in the evening. So probably that's not a correct statement, because I could do software. I could do software day and night. But you know, my way of doing software is not really... I mean, it's a bit of a fun way to do it. Like, I mean, doing video games in the evening is... and also with no pressure of timeline and things like that. So it's not really... I mean, I think the difference is the pressure. So if you don't have any pressure to deliver, you can still do it in the evening, right? If you start to have pressure on deadlines, as you can see, the small red dots on the right side of the screen, assuming that you can see it, but yes, I think you can, are getting lower and lower and lower in number. And so this means that we can continue. No, sorry, I was thinking to something else. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. No, to the beginning, to here, and see. Okay, these are the messages that were sent in the old version of PlaneShift, and these messages were sent with our networking protocol. Okay, so these messages we don't have anymore, and we don't need anymore. So we need to remove them. Now, the way to remove them, I mean, it's not too hard. Basically, we need to understand what is inside the message and to see Wow, the white. And to see what is inside the message, we go in the old code, right? And in the old code, this white background is the old code, is the old plane shift code. And yes, we see here what the message was composed of. So we had actually a command, an ID, a character name, a character info, and this evaluatable, which I have no idea what is it, but stores if an event can be evaluated. Oh, okay. And stores an XML string, various uses. This one, boys. Okay. So basically we need to pass to our function, right? Mainly this one I think is the most generic that we have. So we need to pass to this function all those parameters. So we're basically transforming this message into an explicit set of parameters. Now what we can check is which kind of parameters we are actually using for real. And you see that we use, for example, a command. We use an ID. So I think that this thing we need so let's start to put them in. The ID I think is expecting an integer, so let's do an int ID. Let's see what else is really using. Command ID, command ID, command ID. XML, so the XML seems to be used, and then ID. Now some of these commands will send the information to the underlying functions, and so even if it seems that the other parameters are not used here, probably they are used inside one of these methods. Because when we are passing the event, are we then able to get the message again from the event? No. Okay, so we can limit ourselves to, we can limit ourselves to those parameters for now. So basically command, ID, and XML are the three that are sent by this function. So let me change this function. I would like to have the client first though, because it's just for consistency. So handle GM event. By the way, all the YouTube guys just went away, because they didn't see the avatar anymore, and so they said, fuck it, I don't have my character, and so they are not speaking anymore. What features were in the 2D version of Plane Shift? Way back in 2003? No, it was way back in 1995, not 2003. 2003 we were already releasing the first 3D version of Plane Shift. I don't think you can find it on the web anymore, but maybe if you are lucky you find some screenshot of the old Plane Shift mode. I don't think so. I think I have to give you the screenshots because they're like lost in the internet at this point. So even Google cannot do it. But yeah, the features were like very simple, like any multi-user dungeon of that time. So you could basically walk in you could basically walk. I can show you a screenshot maybe if I find it, because I. Let me see. Let me see if you're lucky, maybe. But no, this stuff is too new. So I only have a 2004 UI. But if you want to know how was our 2004 UI, it is a GIF of our 2004 UI of Plane Shift. That is what it was. But no, the 2D one, I think the only place where I have the 2D one, it may be under the website, under the old website. Under the old website, under PS beginning. Ah, I found it. Let me check the date of this file, even if it's been moved a few times, but let me check the date. 2006, no. But anyway, it's not referring to the 2006 version, but basically, this was the UI. Sorry, this was the maximum resolution at that time, so it was 600 by 400, but this was the main UI. This was the main UI. And basically here in the middle you had the current location, which was displayed like in 3D. I mean in 3D meaning 3D rendering, obviously, because 3D games were not existing at this point in time. And this was the combat stance, by the way. The combat stance was already there, you know? The aggressive, defensive. These were where you were moving between one room and the other. And these were the different screens that you could go to. So like your inventory, your character stats, spells and magic, inventory and maps and I don't know what. Here you had your HP, mana, and stamina. And this was an example of one location, okay? So here you were in one location, like in front of the Lang's temple. And you see, is the place in front of the gloomy Lang's temple, flagged with a grey stone, in front of the temple, a burning austere windows, cyclopic iron doors, blah blah blah, eye to the left, blah blah blah. And this was the mini map that was built when you were moving, because you were moving only in steps, you know, so you could move left and you would see another picture, you would move forward and you will see another picture. And here were the characters, because actually yes, it was the character in your group, right, in theory. And you could type in this little thing, and this was your inventory with the locations. By the way, the location is exactly the same that we have today. And the currency was exactly the same that we have today. This was your inventory, your location of the inventory, and your character. And these were your stats, your skills. I mean your skills. So like armor, weapons, various lore, thief ability, martial arts, and some of them are still identical today. So lemurs were all implemented in the 90s, yes. Well, we had just implementing the lemurs at that time, meaning just to put a picture, you know, and they were boom, done. You put a picture, done. Very easy. No 3D, no animations, no anything. Nothing. PS beginning. Nice. A little bit of history. A little bit of history. I think we need to port this GM info message thingy, because I think we need it. And I don't think at the moment is there, so I think we need to take it from the old code. And no. Wait. I see. So this enumeration, which was inside this class, right? I think we can still keep the class and just having that enumeration definition, I think would be okay. Just for compatibility, so we don't have to change all the code. But I would definitely place this definition inside the header file. Yeah, but going so back in time anyway is insane. I mean, if you think about it, it's really insane. It's really insane. Okay. Playable on Internet Archive? No, it's only on my PC. I think I can still find it, but I don't even know if it will be possible to compile it. But I think the exe may work, but you still need a server and a client, you know, because it was a server and a client. So you need to launch the server, and no, it's not playable anymore. That would be really archaeology. You know, you need an archaeologist to stay there for a million hours. I'm not very happy about the Twitch people, because the Twitch people are not really liking this extension, are not customizing their characters, are not speaking, are not doing anything. Fuck it. So we will go back to YouTube. I think I will do a bit, and a bit. Sometimes we do Twitch, sometimes we do YouTube. So we can have our little avatars of everyone. So we are back on YouTube with the avatars. Attack Blanchard of Fish. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not there yet, because YouTube takes a lot of time to load everything. So to load the avatar, to load everything. Delete index. What is this delete index? Delete index, we can search it on here. Delete index for an array is remove at. Okay. We can search all these delete index and substitute them with remove at. Like this one, this one, this one. Okay, there were only 3. You have an ice emulator for everything? Nice. So you play like old games? Like on DOSBox or things like that? I use DOSBox for some of my preferred games. But I don't have a lot of time to play them, that's the problem. But okay, let's go back to this handle command. Oh wow, command was not a string. Command was not a string, huh? Command was an int, boys. Boys! Command is an int. Okay. Easy. Message ID. ID is an int as well. Messages. So now we have to basically undo what we did for the messages. And then there are these weird iterators. TRA player data iterator. I mean, if you want to keep the iterator, I think we can. It's just called T iterator in Unreal. The only thing we need to do is to so we cannot do this. Iterator is pointing to what? Is an array of player data. We need to do something like this. And why is only me in the thing? Why is only me in the characters? Why is only me? No, that is not nice. I'm gonna pin me there until someone is coming with me. Why no one is here? Why no one is here? I think you are here, but for some reason YouTube didn't send a message properly to the app, or the app got confused that I switched between Twitch and YouTube. That's possible. Why? It's only me. It is only me. So, get iterator. I don't think it's get iterator. I think it's like create iterator. And then you can iterate like this, and then here we will do just current data, player ID, and then we just need to increment iterator, otherwise we go in an infinite loop. It's still only me, eh? Zway arrived. You arrived. Somehow. Some way. Good job, Sway. Good job. Everyone else I think is watching, but maybe they don't have the chat active, you know, or something. So they may not, maybe they don't pop up or something. What is this thing? A band? These are all the append that were. These are all the append that I was doing at the beginning, and I was distracted by the mini game, and I got confused. Okay, I will unpin myself since there is someone else. By the way, you said abracadabra and it actually worked, which is insane. So actually you are a magician, huh? Okay, so this one is the actual sending of the message to the client. Okay, so and this one is the one that we have to convert now to an Unreal Engine message, right? But let me do this one last, okay? As you can see, the errors on the right are going down and down and down and down. So we are getting closer to have something that can compile at least. Hula, say something in the chat. Go and say something in the chat right now. Why sometimes I have the double thingy and sometimes not? Here we have another iterator. I think we can still keep the iterator, even if it's a bit funny to have an iterator on an array this way, but since it works, why not? Hey, what? You type something. So now we have a chance that you appear again in the screen. Probably. I'm not sure, but probably. No, we were wondering why there are so few people. You see? Yeah, is if the people are active in the chat. So there may be people watching the stream, but maybe doing something else meanwhile, and so they don't appear in the thingy. In the thingy. Same thing here. Now, all of this will have to be tested, because the moment I'm just porting the code as is without thinking, but you know, all of this holy shit. TRA complete, TRA int32. You don't like the int32 versus int or what? Don't understand. Why doesn't like to reuse the same iterator? But I think if I do like this, I will redefine it because it's defined there. Can do this though. Okay, seems he liked it a bit more. Strange because it was the same. I don't know. He was just missing some parentheses. Easy one. Easy. Here is another iterator that we can use. Is it dancing if you say dance? Didn't check it. Do. Okay, so we are slowly fixing it, slowly but surely fixing it. You have an XML thingy. GM event evaluation. Streamlabs arrived. Interesting. Ah, yes, because he printed out that thing. And so Streamlabs is with us. Streamlabs is going up. Let me drop a bomb. Boom. Boom. I don't know what is this thing. Spawn avatar. Oh, you can just spawn someone like this. Oh, I see. I see. So in this one we are actually parsing XML. Do we still want to parse XML? Maybe we can do it. This one is GM evaluation, vote, comments. GM evaluation, vote, comments. I mean, it's just 2 parameters actually. Well, anyway. Parse string get node. What is this thing? What is parse string get node? It was something specific in our parser. Returns the top node with the name top name node. Yeah, it's just searching for the top of the thing. Okay, just searching for the top. We should be identical to this one. So I think we can just use our technique, our standard technique for fxml node, and just do this. So we'll just construct, you know, an XML from a string, and this will be our root node, which is actually called node. Okay, fine with that. And then in our root node, we are searching for well, this is already a root node, so I don't think there is any interest in checking if he's like that or not. I really don't care. I mean, it can be so, unless, I mean, we can check the attribute, but we can check the tag. I think that one will be the tag. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it just to be nice. So we'll check if the top node is actually of this type, right? And why we have all these parentheses? And if the top node is of this type, then we can continue. Otherwise, we will not parse the evaluation. Right? Yeah, it's only the people chatting anyway, they are appearing. I think I will have to go very, very soon because it's super late. Let me build a World of Ladders meanwhile. Let me build a World of Ladders. No, they have to be... They have to be connected. Otherwise, we never work. No. Mistakes were made. Ah, you like this, huh? You like this? I know. So now you cannot see the code anymore, but you know, you're happy you can go around and do your thing, and right? Now you don't see the code anymore, but who cares about the code at the end? Who cares about the code? I mean, why the code? Why we care about the code? So we're getting this guy. And then of this one we are getting an attribute value. I think attribute value we have it as well. Attribute value, we can just get an attribute value as an int, as a float, as a boolean. So it's just get attribute. So get attribute value becomes get attribute, and get attribute value as int becomes, wow, becomes this thing. Okay. And this will return an int as the vote that is being given. Okay. Okay, we are clamping between 0 and between 1 and 10, and then we are doing an update. I'm not actually sure we are using this system, but the voting system, but since it's there, I'm gonna keep it. So here we're going to do exactly the same thing. So these are just some loops, you know, that we have in the old code. So current data, started, current data, player ID. Wow, this is Silent Hill, huh? Interesting. Okay, only few arrows left. Very few arrows left. Very few arrows left. C array item not found, I think is index known, right? Yes, is index none. So this one is index none. Same here. And here is just an extra parenthesis. And this one was returning a boolean in the old code, but now it's not returning a boolean, so I think the only way we have is to just put this into the if, right? I don't think we have any other way, because this one is returning void now. It's not returning anything. Okay. So it's assuming that whatever index you give him is a valid index. Okay, I see very few arrows left. Very, very few. delete, 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 delete in array becomes remove. I think we are three or four missing errors. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go because it's super late and it's very late. It's nearly 1 a.m. and yeah, I'm gonna go. What Jet seems that he came back. Okay, hello, welcome back. But I'm gonna go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope it was still an interesting stream, even if I understand it was a lot of code tonight, and so maybe it was a bit boring. But I hope the small game made it a bit lighter for you. So if you are new to the stream, please click on follow on Twitch and please click on subscribe on YouTube, and also if you want you can check our Patreon page, which is patreon.com/planeshift. We got another Patreon. Nice. Wow, we get one Patreon per day. Thank you, guys. Thank you for that. We got a new Patreon today or yesterday, I don't know. Let me check who is it. Patreon. The new Patreon is... The new Patreon is... SY. Thank you, SY, for being part of the community. And thanks for your support. I don't know if you're listening, but anyway, I give you the thanks anyway. Remember to connect your Patreon account with Discord, so that in Discord you will get your badge, I mean your tag for supporters, and so you will be able to see the supporter channel. And yeah, I think I will go, and I will see you all tomorrow evening. I leave you with this beautiful picture of the new village, and see you tomorrow, boys. Bye bye. Goodbye. Look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, see you guys.